Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Our today's word is lethargic. Lethargic means feeling sluggish, lacking energy, or being unusually tired and inactive. When someone is lethargic, they feel slow and have no enthusiasm or motivation. It's more than just being sleepy. It can also describe a mental or emotional state where a person feels indifferent or uninterested in doing anything. Synonyms: sluggish, inactive, dull, weary. Antonyms: energetic, active, lively, vibrant, animated. Let's see some examples. After staying up all night studying, I felt completely lethargic in the morning. The heat made everyone feel lethargic and unwilling to work. She became lethargic after recovering from her illness. If you found this word helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful vocabulary words to boost your English every day.